Want to unlock exclusive rewards and bonuses on TikTok? Let's dive into how to enter that referral code and start earning. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed the TikTok app from your App Store, either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you're already logged into an existing account. Please log out of that account before continuing. This is important to make sure you are considered a new user. Once you have logged out, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen to create a new account. You will be prompted to sign up. In order to create a new TikTok account, you can choose any one of these methods, such as using your phone number or email, or connecting with a pre-existing Google or Facebook account. If you opt to sign up with a phone or email address, you'll be asked to provide your birthday, so go ahead and enter that information. Now, during or shortly after the sign-up process, keep an eye out for a field labeled Enter Referral Code, Invitation Code, or something similar. This may appear on one of the setup screens while creating your account. If you were invited by a friend, get their unique code and enter this in the field. After successfully entering the code, keep an eye on your TikTok notifications. Oftentimes, the rewards are automatically applied, and you'll receive an in-app notification about bonus coins or other perks you've earned. You can also check your profile to see your current status. Look for a bonus or rewards tab, which often includes the status of pending or awarded coins and any special offers. This is where you can ensure that the referral took place correctly. That's it. Now you know how to redeem a referral code to claim amazing discounts and bonuses. If this video has helped you, please subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tips and tricks.